Hi, everybody. I'm Gary Langer, president of Langer Research Associates, and I've been a AAPOR member for more than 20 years. The bottom line is that we've heard, I think, at presentations about the wonderful and deep research being done into the COVID-19 pandemic. The question for us was, how do we get our arms around all this research? There's so much of it across so many topics, it can seem pretty overwhelming. And our thought was to try to organize it in a retrievable, searchable way. What is SEAN? It's the Societal Experts Action Network. It's a panel of experts convened by the National Academy, supported by the National Science Foundation. Two missions: connect policymakers with this essential research, and to share this social science research with a broader audience, including the research community, the news media, and the public at large. The idea here is to leverage transparency for the public good. We seek to create a one-stop shop for essential survey research into the pandemic based on the willingness of the producers and sponsors of all these studies to contribute to an open access, easy-to-use archive. You can search and retrieve individual survey questions and results, but we try to go deeper than that. We have reports, cross-tabulated data tables, data sets, scripted questionnaires essential for replication, methodology, and more. The collection as it currently stands houses more than 225 studies from more than 25 countries, more than 75 data sets, more than 2,500 questions. It's growing every day. It's housed on our knowledge management platform called PARC for survey researchers and their audiences. Now, what's in there is we're archiving data collected via probability sampling. Now, in creating the archive, our first question was, will survey producers and their sponsors set aside their competitive interests and contribute to the shared knowledge base? The answer has been resoundingly yes. And this is a list of additional contributors, again, growing every day. In addition to maintaining the SEAN archive, we're producing in our shop a weekly summary of key results from the previous week's new studies. The typical topics are listed here. This goes out every Friday. Here's an example of what it looks like, and you can sign up at the link below if you'd like notification of these weekly summaries. I think we should be great to just jump in real quick and get a look at how the archive operates. Go to search. What do we care about? Let's say we want to know, has anyone asked any questions about the use of masks? I type the word mask. I'm searching top lines. I hit search. And I get every question that's been asked that's in the archive with the word mask in it. As you can see, there's 42 questions. Reverse chronological order means the most recent is this May 20th Fox News study. You can click results and see the question and the results right there. Click the source folder, and we have all of the materials that Fox so kindly shared with us on the study. Now, mask may not be sufficient because we're losing the plural, masks and other forms of the word. I can put in an asterisk to make it a full Boolean search, hit search. In this case, I find 59 questions. And again, we can look through, grab any we're interested in. There's an Axios Ipsos survey, and we can look in the folder and see. And we have analyses, we have cross tabs, we have the raw data set, top line of methodology, other materials. So that's pretty useful. In addition to searching for the top line, we can search the scripted questionnaire. And now you can see there's a Kaiser Family Foundation survey, and we've got the codings. And if we want to replicate this question, we do want to know exactly how it's been asked in the past. There's 28 questions here. Another way to look at it is to hit project only. In this case, instead of seeing every question with the word mask in it, we see every project that has a mask question in it. And in this case, we can see the metadata associated with each project, and click on the source folder for the materials we have. There are many other ways that PARC is searchable and functional. We can search analyses. That's any Word, Excel, text, PDF, or PowerPoint document, full text search and retrieval. Just for example, we'll grab the first one that pops up. You can see what that looks like. Other ways to use the system: if you have any questions, please reach out to me at glanger@langerresearch.com. Thanks for listening. I just want to say again, the willingness of the producers and sponsors of these data to contribute has been really one of the most heartening aspects of this project. And it really does, I think, remind us all that the people of AAPOR make us strong. Thank you so much, and take care.